Make faces.
Make faces with Daddy. I bet you're backlit. You got some funny faces, Jules.
Do tongue face.
Tongue face. What's that?
Do tongue face.
What's that?
Do tongue face, okay, Dada? Okay.
Hey, look at
These sillies.
big kiss.
Look her up. Very cute.
We want to see.
Do you want to talk to me at all anymore?
Yeah.
Where'd we go today? Where'd we go this week on vacation? Where'd we go? Where'd we go on vacation? To the... Come here. We're talking about where we went on vacation.
Clara said she wants to come over, and she said I have to ask my mom.
You do have to ask.
I have to ask her mom.
But we're going on errands.
Yeah, we're